Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Ludney and today I have a new video for you guys where we'll go see different houses in Montreal. So you already know I'm very excited about going to see houses and stuff like that to see because I'm in the process of trying to buy a house, which I'll make a whole nother video about that later on. So just to tell you guys. So now this video is about like two different two duplex that I want to visit and then a bonus footage of a triplex that I also went to check out. But the two duplex are the one that I'm interested in really buying. So one of them is in New Rosemont, which is a sector of Montreal, and the other one is in Awansik. So yeah, so let's go. So this is the first house that we want to see. As you see, the asking price was $538, and this is me going up the house. It's located in Awansik-Cartierville, which is a sector of Montreal that's pretty nice and pretty cozy, pretty simple. So this is the living room area of the ground floor, and there's gonna be a lot of footage of the house like I said to you guys. And this is the kitchen area just across the living room. As you could see, it's pretty straightforward, nothing crazy there. Like, it was a basic kitchen and everything. This is the backyard, pretty nice garden outside, like it's a large yard and everything, which I really like. As you can see, there's a lot of space to do a lot of things. This is the master bedroom of the ground floor. Pretty simple. Like, it's not huge. It's not a huge room, but it's not small either. And this is the hallway going to the smallest bedroom. This is this one. And then this is the second bedroom. No, the third bedroom. I mean, this is a larger one. It's not large, but it's just like a normal size bedroom, I'd say. And this is the bathroom. I like the bathroom. There's a lot of space, I feel like, in this bathroom, and you could renovate that if you want to. This is me going down the basement. This is the stair to the basement. There's a door that you can close before you go to the basement. So the basement, it's a different story. It's one large room. This is it. And there is also like two windows, which is really nice, of the front of the house, which make it pretty bright and everything. So this is the door to the garage. As you could see, I take a quick look at it. It's pretty simple, the basic garage and everything. And then this is the bathroom right in this room. So it's a basic bathroom. There's a lot of things, like, as you can see. So this is another door that they have where I feel like you could transform this room into like a kitchen, dining room area. Since there's already a sink and everything there, you could probably do something really nice with this room if you take everything out and just put a kitchen there and also renovate. There's a lot of like space where they put, like, I don't know, storage space that you could probably take away from it to make more room, like these rooms and stuff like that. And there's also a door that goes to the outside. So this is me going up the second floor. It's a basic stairs and everything. So when I get to the second floor, as you could see, it's the same layout. The living room is a little bit bigger, and yeah, that's it. There's another bathroom, yet again basic, and this is the kitchen / dining room space. It's almost the same as the other one downstairs. And this house have 2 5.5, so which means 2 bedroom in each, the ground floor and the second floor, and the basement is just like 2 rooms and stuff. This is the balcony and view to the outside, to the backyard. So I said this house was in Awansik, but I'm a little bit mistaken. It's, if you know Montreal, it's before Saint Michel, like close to Fleury, but actually it's kind of in Montreal North, which is a whole different story. So yeah. So this is one of the bedroom, the smaller one again. and then the other one just right across to it. Like I said, it's decent size but nothing big. And this is a master bedroom, which I could not film because there was somebody there. Anyway, so yeah, this is the second house that we see. This is a new Rosemont, and you saw the asking price was $559. This is one of the room, the first room right across the door and everything. So this is like the living room space. I don't know why I don't see yeah, okay, so this is the kitchen and dining room space. It's a weird kitchen. It's not really big, it's not small, it's just like a medium kitchen and stuff. And there's a bathroom right across, but this bathroom doesn't have like a shower, which is an issue, which you would have to create a shower if you buy this property. So yeah, so this is the master bedroom right across the dining space and everything, and there's the second bedroom as I show you. So this is a 4.5 on the ground floor, and then 4.5 upstairs, which we didn't get to see because there's someone renting it. And then like this is the dining room no, the living room. Anyway, this is the door to the basement, and this is me going to the basement. It's a little bit dark over there, so the footage is not great, but there's a lot of space. So this is one of the bedroom space, which like with one window. It's pretty long type of bedroom, and there's a lot of doors in this basement, which is pretty good. So this is a room where you do laundry that you could turn into like a kitchen, and there's outside door to the outside. So this is another room which could be like a master bedroom because there's like 2 windows and stuff there. Was it the one with the no, this is not the one with the window. This is the first one that I show you guys. But anyway, so this is the backyard, and the basement have like 3 bedrooms. So even if you didn't see it, there's 3 bedrooms, and there's a large backyard, as you could see, with space to put cars and stuff. There's the side entrance door that I was talking to you guys about. So this is pretty much it for the house. There's a nice yard in front, as you could see in the pictures. There's going to be a link down below also. This is a bonus triplex, so if you're watching still right now, you could see this beautiful triplex. Asking price $659, which is a lot of money, but there's a lot of space. And this is an Awansik, technically an Awansik, close to Guan. This is the space, very beautiful, just renovated. So, and there's a lot of space, and the backyard is huge. Like, I've never seen a backyard like that. Look at this. There's this, and then there's a front backyard, which is amazing. There's gonna be a link, like I said before, down below if you want to see more. So yeah, so I was trying to go out, but I could not. Anyway, I did get to see it later on, which you don't see on the footage. But like, there's a lot of backyard where you could even build a different house. So this is the one of the room. It's a small room, but it's not large or anything like that, because they did a triplex. The first ground floor have like 2 bedroom, and then there's a basement with like 2 big room. This is as you see, the bathroom, well renovated, 1 bedroom on the ground floor. And then there's the yard. Yeah, when I get outside, this is what I film. It's pretty huge. So this is the living room space, which is huge again. This is where I entered at first, and this is the dining space. It's pretty huge, I feel like. And there's 3.5 upstairs. Crazy. So this is me going to the basement because the basement was open. There's nobody there, so we could visit. This is one of the room. Pretty interesting if you want to rent that out to someone. If you purchase this property, there's a lot of potential to this property. And then just there's like different room that there's nothing in right now that you could probably renovate and do something with. Yeah, this is a room like that. Could be a different bedroom again, or a dining space on the basement if you want to rent it as like a 3.5 or something like that. A lot of windows, lot of light, lot of space. This is what I really like about this house. So tell me which one you guys like better and which one you think have more potential. And don't forget, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comment down below.